My son is obsessed with RC cars, but I've always wondered, is it because he genuinely loves them or because I do? Have I accidentally created a mini version of myself? Today, I'm putting that to the test by fixing this helicopter. The funny thing is, I personally have such a bad history with flying objects. So instead of buying a brand new helicopter, I picked up this one, which most people would probably write off, and I will do everything I can to bring it back to life. By the end of this video, we'll have the answer to one question. Does my son genuinely love RC cars, or has he simply caught the bug from me? And if he ends up loving flying objects more than ground vehicles, I will definitely get him into drones and helicopters. The first thing I need to do is assess the visible damage before opening up this heli. That should give me a better idea of what I'm dealing with and whether this repair has any chance of succeeding.
Global economy into disarray. In what fantasy world is this war close to a success?
Okay. So again, the four conditions, let's start with
Gordon.
Yes. And that had almost no effect really on the United States' ability to project power in the region. And again, going back to my initial predicate.
Ultimately avenging them, you said. To be clear, David DeRozier.
Yes.
States and targeting Salman Rushdie. Can we agree that the Iranian regime is a threat to its own people, the whole Middle East, and beyond?
Yeah, absolutely.
Now that I've disassembled this heli to the point where I believe most of the problems are hiding, it's time to start fixing them. While I'm at it, I'll also lubricate these moving parts before putting everything back where it belongs. I also need to quickly reassemble each part to its rightful place before I forget, considering my memory is not that good.
That truck is angry. We, anaachilia tu mara moja. Anaachilia kama mtu mwanafunzi wa kuendesha gari. Brakes. Yeah.
Well, that didn't last long. The fun came to an abrupt end when 2 of the blades broke. So, what's my conclusion? I think it's safe to say he genuinely enjoyed it. It only took him a few minutes to grasp the basics, and before long, he was confidently keeping the helicopter in the air. The biggest challenge now is learning how to land it smoothly. Honestly, for a 4-year-old to learn how to fly a helicopter in a single day, that's pretty impressive. I think he deserves a new drone, one that's safe, durable, and easy for a beginner to fly. After that, I will finally get the answer to my main question.